po for me si Ma'am Rose kasi po every time na may problema ka or nababother ka, she's always there with an open arms, a helping hand to encourage us and to give advice. Especially po for us, for like me na YP na need po talaga ng isang payo ng isang nanay or magulang.
Hi Mama Rosa, happy birthday! Ang napuntang letter sa akin is letter O, so letter O stands for observant. Si Mama is observant kahit saan, mapabahay, mapa-church, mapalabas ng church. So, si Mama is may masasabi or may mako-comment, positive or negative. So, nawa members, wag po kayo ma-offend pag napagsabihan kayo ni Mama kasi si Mama is honest, transparent na tao. So, gusto niya lang mapaganda yung mga bagay-bagay.
Letter S stands for being a symbol. Why symbol? Because you symbolize excellence, not only for being the mother of your children, but also for being the mother of the church and also of the young people.
For me, S stand for leading by example through acts of service and compassion.
S for Samaritan. Dinidescribe ko si Ma'am as a good Samaritan, which means a person that is willing to help others and sympathize those in need. Makikita naman natin kay Ma'am yun na isang likas na mapagbigay, likas na matulungin sa iba, lalo na sa ating YP. At ayun, na-encourage tayo magpatuloy sa Panginoon kasi yung ginagawa niya na hindi naghihintay ng kapalit sa kanyang mga ginagawang kabutihan sa atin. Kaya ayun, maraming salamat po Ma'am sa patuloy na pag-guide sa amin, YP, sa mga advices niyo po from the Word of God na makapagpatuloy po kami sa Panginoon. Kaya Ma'am, happy birthday po.
Para sa akin, si Ma'am Rose is automatic. Siya yung tipong yung tao na sa gawain ng Panginoon, hindi siya yung nagdadalawang isip na sumunod agad. Siya yung taong na kapag may gawain, nandiyan kagad siya. Hindi na yung kailangan na sabihan, hindi na kailangan na utusan siya.
I think for me, M stands for mother. Because Ma'am Rose is not only a mother in their house like Ate Ro, Ate Kish, Ate M, Kuya Jan, and so on and so forth. But Ma'am Rose is also our mother in church, like in spiritual.
Marvelous, because she inspires others with her passion for life.
For the name Maria, letter A is for anchor. Like an anchor, you ground us with steadfast strength and guide us through every challenge with grace.
Authentic. She is consistent in words and in action.
R for radiant because her radiant smile reflects her joy and unwavering commitment in serving the Lord.
Remarkable. Truly remarkable her ability to lead the people with compassion and integrity.
I, intercessor. She prays regularly for others, advocating their needs and well-being.
Intelligent, inspirational. She has a deep understanding in spiritual matters and offer guidance rooted in biblical principles.
Letter A stands for align kasi si Ma'am Rose lagi siyang naka-align sa salita ng Diyos kaya binibless siya at ang kanyang pamilya.
A stands for affable kasi po si Ma'am Rose easy to approach po siya and lagi po siyang nakangiti pagkakausapin niya po. Lalo na po pag papaalam po kami alis ni Jared.
Letter A. A for amazing. Amazing mama to us since day one. and she imparts valuable life lessons to us.
Chill. Never ko pong narinig na sumigaw sa white kahit galit na siya.
Para po sa akin si Mama Rose, isa po siya isang rapid. Magaling po makipag-usap, papa-businessman o about Taylor.
You unmatched. Ibig sabihin, walang katulad na nanay sa pag-aruga at pagmamahal sa kanyang 7 mga anak.
Si Madam ay zealous yan, no? Meaning devoted. So, unang-una devoted sa family, sa pagmamahal sa family. And syempre, devoted or zealous sa salita ng Diyos. Standard niya talagang galing sa Bible.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Rose.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Rose. And thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Rose. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day. And nawa, pahabain pa po ng Panginoon yung buhay niyo para po supportan po ang ating pastor.
Happy 60th birthday and congratulations.
Happy birthday po and God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Rose.
Happy birthday, Mama. Alam mo naman na nandito kami lagi, always and forever sa'yo. So, we love you po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama. And enjoy your day po. And nandito lang po kami, mga magkakapatid, and si Papa, at ang church na nagmamahal sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Ma! We love you!
Thank you.